Hey, good morning, Kate. This is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Thanks for the privilege for having me out here to give you a quote on the roof cleaning. In this video, I'll just briefly explain a little bit about how we do roof cleaning and what we can do to help preserve the life of your roof. So a little bit, just to clarify, when you see this video, let me know if you're talking about this lower section here, which I kind of think that's what you're talking about, and then maybe on the back side of your roof. I'm not necessarily seeing any too crazy areas to get your roof clean, other than right over here on the back side. That looks like it could benefit from a clean, heavy shade and stuff. So essentially with roof cleaning, what we can do is use two different methods. One is a wet and forget type treatment, where we apply a gentle concentrated soap to your shingles, let that dwell, and over the course of about a year or so, the hard rains will naturally rinse all that algae and stuff off your shingles. Or we can do what the roofing manufacturers suggest for us to clean your roof, is basically using bleach, Pool Shock, or sodium hypochlorite. They're all the same thing. We dilute it in a way that is basically designed to get all that stuff off your roof the same day. So after we do the treatment on your shingles, all that stuff will be off your roof. It is a little bit more of an involved process, because I can't get that cleaner anywhere else except for your shingles. So I have to rinse off your plans, your siding, your windows, all that fun stuff. But so this is all we do, is roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, house washing, roof maintenance. So I did include a flyer in your door about what you can do to preserve the life of your roof. Unfortunately today, many people don't know, but the roofing manufacturers are actually watering down their product. So if you have a roof that's over 7 to 10 years old, you can really benefit from a roof conditioning treatment from Roof Max, because what this will do is rehydrate your shingles, allow them to expand and contract. They won't lose their aggregate or the granulars. And once your roof starts to lose those granulars, the asphalt gets exposed, and the sun further accelerates the drying out process of your shingles. So another thing we also do with the roof conditioning treatment is to do a full roof tune-up. Any nail pops, any flashing details that need to be nailed down, that's another part of the thing we do. Soil pipes, get a new rubber gasket around all the pipes to create a new watertight seal. And one more thing I forgot to mention: the benefit of having a roof treatment on your asphalt shingles is to help the seal tabs. Each shingle has a glue strip under each tab, and that will help keep your shingles glued together. So looks like I got a big party behind me here. My name is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Thanks for watching this video. When you watch this, let me know which section of your roof you'd like to move forward with, and we'll get you a quote. Thank you.